Hello friends, today we will discuss about taxonomy groups, taxonomy categories and the taxonomic hierarchy. Before that, I request all of my friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also watch, like and share my videos with your friends. First of all, what is taxonomy groups? In biology, classification is a process of arranging organisms, both living and extinct, into groups based on similar characteristics. These groups are known as taxonomy groups or taxa or taxa, singular taxon, singular taxon. Each taxonomy group is an actual collection of organisms, organisms that share certain characteristics, that share certain characteristics. These groups are non-arbitrary. These groups are non-arbitrary and represent biological entities and represent biological entities or collection of such entities or collection of such entities. Examples are Rosa indica, Oryza, and Posimum. Each one is a taxonomy group. In a group, all organisms share common traits that distinguish them from other groups. Next, let us know what is taxonomy category. In classification, each taxonomy group is assigned to a specific category known as taxonomy category. These categories are used to indicate the position or rank of taxonomy groups in the hierarchical classification system. In the hierarchical classification system, these categories are the hierarchical levels used to organize taxonomy groups. In biology, there are 7 obligate taxonomic categories such as kingdom, followed by division or phylum, next class, followed by order, and then it is family, next genus, and at last it is species. These are the 7 obligate taxonomy categories that are used to classify organisms in a hierarchical manner. Each of these represents a different level of inclusiveness. Out of these, kingdom is most inclusive and less specific, whereas species is more specific and less inclusive. Now let us compare between taxonomy group and category. Rosa indica is a taxonomy group. It is assigned to the category species. It is assigned to the category species. What is species? Species is a group of closely related organisms capable of interbreeding. Rosa indica is a species which consists of a particular type of rose which share certain characteristics. There are about 150 to 200 species of rose. So Rosa indica along with remaining species of rose are grouped together and are included in another taxonomy group, that is Rosa. Of these two, Rosa is more inclusive than Rosa indica. This is because Rosa is a genus. It consists of a number of species out of which Rosa indica is one. Genus Rosa and closely related 100 to 160 genera are clubbed together and are included in another taxonomy group, that is Rosaceae. That is Rosaceae, which is assigned to the category family. So if we compare between these two, Rosaceae is more inclusive than Rosa. Next category is order, which is highly inclusive than family. Rosaceae and other closely related 8 families are grouped together and are included in another taxonomy group, that is Rosas. That is Rosas, which has been assigned to the category order. Next category is class, which is more inclusive than order. In the next step, Rosas and closely related orders are grouped together and are included in Magnoliopsida. It is assigned to the category class. Following this, Magnoliopsida and related Liliopsida together form another taxonomy group, that is Magnoliophyta. That is Magnoliophyta. It belongs to the category division. And finally, Magnoliophyta and other related divisions together form the kingdom, that is Plantae. That is Plantae. Such type of arrangement of taxonomic categories from most general to most specific is known as taxonomic hierarchy. These are the taxonomy groups and these are the categories. Taxonomy categories are arbitrary, they represent nothing in nature. These are the taxonomic ranks. Practically, there is no difference between category and rank except in the grammatical sense. Kingdom is the category which is most inclusive, less specific and more diverse. On the other hand, species is another taxonomic category which is least inclusive, more specific and less diverse. Remaining categories have intermediate level of inclusiveness. In a taxonomic hierarchy, least inclusive category is species. Closely related species together form the genus, and closely related genera form one family, and closely related families form a order. and closely related orders form a class, and closely related classes form one division, and closely related divisions form the kingdom. Higher categories are occupied by more inclusive groups than those occupying lower categories. In taxonomy, organisms are classified not into categories but into groups. It is important to note that a plant can be a member of several taxonomy groups, each of which is assigned to a specific category. But the plant is itself not a member of any category. For example, a plant collected from the field can be identified as Poa annua, which is assigned to the category species. In addition, this plant is also a member of several other taxonomy groups such as Poa, which is assigned to the category genus, Poaceae, assigned to the category family, and so on. But this plant cannot be said as belonging to the species category. Taxonomy categories are like shelves of an almirah which has no significance when empty. It acquires importance and meaning only after something has been placed in it. If categories are like shelves, then ranks are the partitions separating the category from the category above. Friends, this is all about taxonomy group, category and the taxonomic hierarchy. Goodbye and good night.